cassava vendor in our street. Yes, guys. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi. Yeah, she's the vendor. You see, she got a lot of. This woman is very rich, yo. If you need money, just come to her. No matter the amount, she will make it available for you. Look at that. This is money. All these things you are seeing is money. Guys, you know cassava is very expensive these days. I don't know what is going on. Before, you cannot finish 50 naira cassava, but right now, even 100 naira is not enough. I don't know what will happen next year. So this is the prepared one. I actually came to see how it's done, but unfortunately I am not early because they start this processing very, very, very early in the morning. This is what it looks like. Already cooked one, and they wrap it like this. This is 50 naira per one. This used to be 50 naira. I'm not joking. Used to be like this, 50 naira, but look at now, half of it is 15 naira. Which way Nigeria, we don't know, but God knows where we're heading to. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to my subscribers. you are on YouTube. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi. Subscribers. It's the beginning subscribers. Say hi. Oh, welcome. I'm waiting. Say hi. Yes. So I am here in my neighborhood, but unfortunately I didn't catch up. Hey, this person is enjoying, you know. See how it's done. Hey, with correct okra soup. Here, is it draw soup? Okay, or one soup. I thought it's okra. Draw soup. See how. If you want to see how it's done this side, watch him and see how it goes down. This is my favorite one, fufu. I don't mind eating it even in the morning. Once you eat fufu, you are good to go. It keeps you full the whole day. Who is saying who are we saying hi to? That was I give Patagon on YouTube already. What I hear now, sir. What I hear now, sir. I want to get a supta. Okay, this is how they cook it. They wrap it. They first of all, they use mortar to pound it. But before then, they mix it with water to make it blend very well. Put it in a plastic bag, then cook it. I think it's cooked twice, right? Yes. You cook it twice. First one, you cook, pound, wrap it back again, and then cook it second time. I will try to see if I can come back and catch up with this, the whole process, and show you guys. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, my name is Modesta. I am a Nigerian currently here in Ebonyi State. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget. Okay? Join this amazing family because you will not regret it. For my returning subscribers, my modest nation, thank you guys for all your support, for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, we are here today to learn how to construct well. Okay, here we have some guys that came to dig the well. So I was curious and I wanted to know the process, because what they want to do is they want to put all these rings, about 7 of them. I think one is outside. Yeah, one is still outside. No, not even one. See, two are outside, and we have 5 inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, sir, these 7 rings will be going inside that well. It's not 8, it's 7. We have 5 here. Okay, so can you imagine this well is 22 feet. 22 feet, and someone is inside. These guys. Aboki, what will be your number if in case somebody want to do this kind of work for Abakaleke? You they go outside work? They go now. So give us your number, please. 080. 080 64 70,000 3 080 64 70,003. So if you are in a boy state or outside, even from what he's saying, they go outside work also, and you want to clean your well, you want to dress your well, you want to put these rings, this kind of rings inside your well, because what this ring does is it makes it clean, it makes the water clean. Because what they will do as they are cleaning, you see, they are cleaning the well, and after cleaning it, then they will start sending these rings inside the well. They start sending these rings inside the well, and then these rings protect the well. It will never like collapse. The walls of the well will never collapse. And another thing it does is it gives clean water. You understand? And so that's what they are doing now. They are working on it. On this side is the borehole, and the borehole also is ready, but the plumber needs to. Here's the borehole. The thing with borehole is it gives comfort, because this one you need to do it like this before you get water. See how he's using rope to collect. Yeah, that's how you get water with this. Whereas with this one, you don't have to. It comes inside your flat. You just need to connect it to a head tank, and once there's electricity, the water will pump from the borehole to the tank and then supply water to the house. So that's how we do it here in Nigeria. That's how we get our water, our daily water supply. Yes, guys. So I think I'm talking too much. Let me allow you guys to see what they are doing. Keep watching. Oga ABJ, say hi to our subscribers.
Hello, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Okay, close. Don't come close, please. So guys, this is how they do it. Let me see if I can capture this guy inside. This is our friend inside. Oh my God, Aboki. Salam alaikum. Oh my God. Hey. Jesus. Jesus. But this one they wide. You see? This one.
You know, sit down with them close.
Okay. This Aboki, this well and the other one were there for hashing. Which one pass with water? Which one is better?
Each one get water now.
Even this one get water? Okay. Because before they said this one no get water. You see?
Hey.
I want to see how you guys will put the rings inside. That's why I'm here. Yes, guys. Once the water is fixed, the next step is to paint the house, do the floors, the compound. Eichmann, come out from there, and then the fence, and people will be ready to move in. Guys, the sheet is about to go down. You see, they are trying to send the rings down to the well. These guys are so strong. Oh. Wallahi. They are so strong. I don't know. Like, I can't imagine how they are doing this. Like a magic. They are so good with these things. See, they are inserting the rope and then sending it in. Please drop in the comment section if you have a similar thing in your area where you are. Because right here in Ebonyi State, this is very common. You have to, if you can afford, you have to put this in your well to make it clean, to get clean water, protect the walls of your well. But if you can't afford this, another alternative way of protecting your well is by plastering it. You get the mixture of cement and sand and then plaster it. But that one doesn't last like this one. You see how they are doing it? My God. See how they are sending it in. Like, I don't even want to go very close. I'm scared. I'm scared. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. These guys are so strong. Oh. Their language is Hausa, so you can understand what they are saying if you are watching and you are a Hausa person. You will understand what they are saying. They speak Hausa. Kasama, 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 kasama. Woo! It's going in, it's going in.
ƙasa da taka tafi tafi tafi.
Hey, these guys, I don't want to go close. I feel like I might jump inside. Hey, we are so happy to do this, wallahi, because I've been wondering, what if somebody comes into this compound and mistakenly jumps inside? Because this place used to be filled with this unwanted weeds. So, but now they are trying to secure it, because one of these will sit on top and then you get something to cover it. So this is exactly how they are going to be sending it in, one after the other, until everything goes in. These guys, oh my God. Blessing, it's raining, guys, it's raining. It's raining. What a shower of blessing. If you watch till this moment, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share with your family and friends. Somebody might be in need of this. Okay, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.